Hey yo, what's up, guys? Good evening, everyone.
Good evening,
Good
bro.
Good
evening, Bro
evening.
Vic.
Hello, Sis Cosby. Finally, you joined the class today. How's life
Hello, Bro
today?
Vic.
Is it's better? Your condition, Sis Cosby?
Yes, actually, I'm feeling better than yesterday, Bro Vic. Alhamdulillah,
Finally.
my cold is better, getting better too. How
Oh,
about
Um,
you,
that's great.
Bro Vic?
I'm pretty great.
Sehat, bro?
Alhamdulillah. It's really
Uh-huh.
nice. I'm so grateful. I'm over the moon. So how
Good.
I'm as fit as fiddle. Thank you for asking.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, bro.
Yeah, you told us last time you got the influenza. Oh, what the B
Type B.
influence?
Yes, doctor
Ah.
said I have influenza type B.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
It is like
Seperti ini,
happen.
seperti COVID gitu, bro.
It's the same like that? Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay. So it's like a common, in the news, like this influence starts from the kids. They got it.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a parent as well. And
Yeah.
that's really bad. Okay. So,
Bro
but it's gonna be
Fix.
alright, Sis Cosby, yeah? So keep your
Okay,
healthy
Bro
as
Fix.
always. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you
thank you,
so much,
bro.
Sis Cosby. Sure. Okay. Hello, Sis Lydia, Sis Jasmine, Sis Nia, Sis Aima. You guys,
hello,
welcome back to
bro.
our class again. Okay. Is everyone great today? You guys?
Alhamdulillah, I'm great.
Alhamdulillah. Nice. Great.
How about
Sounds
you,
great.
bro?
Oh, pretty great. Today's the idea. Nice. Okay. It's really great day. Saturday. Hey, Saturday. It's a Thursday. Okay.
Thursday.
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 So that's 2 days left. We will get yeah, we will get the weekend. So that would be really nice. I'm really happy today. Okay, guys, everyone. So come on, everyone. We're going to start the class while waiting others. So good evening. Welcome back to our class again, guys. We're speaking partner.
We
We
are
are
The
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 best
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 partner.
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 What's password?
Smile.
Smile.
Thank you so much, everyone. Well, guys, today is our ninth meeting. It's a ninth meeting, everyone. And yes, tomorrow is our middle exam actually. So I guess I will tell you the middle exam, the topic letter in the end of our class letter, everyone. Okay, so don't miss it. Just join the class until we finish the class today, yeah? Okay, and it's because ninth meeting, and I told you, start from the first class at the time, we always do listening once in a week. So that's why today we have a listening time. Okay? So come on, guys, just prepare your paper and your pen to do listening, everyone. It's the same, just multiple choice questions. And I still use Elo for doing the listening. Okay. And it's just like it's a five. Yeah, it's only five a question, guys. The topic is about food we hate. It has two people, Kathy and Gilda. They talk about Kathy and Gilda talk about the different food that they hate. Makanan yang mereka benci, yang gak mereka suka. Okay. So in this part, I have like a five questions. The first is, what does Gilda say about chocolate? Gilda, berarti yang cowok. And Kathy doesn't like blah 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 food. And Kathy does like tomatoes. Mhm. And Gilda doesn't like apa? And number five, what foods do they both dislike? Yang keduanya mereka itu kedua-duanya nggak suka apa? Okay, guys. So just listening for today and prepare your paper, everyone, and we will do it this listening time. I will turn off your microphone this time and make sure you can get all right. One, two, three, go. Teman-teman siap ya? Okay. One, two, three, go. Let's go. Good luck.
So, what are three foods that you can't stand? Three foods that you hate?
Number one would be chocolate.
Chocolate!
Yes.
That's crazy.
I don't like the feeling that you have when you put a piece of chocolate inside your mouth. It's like too hot. Like if I eat a piece of chocolate, I need to drink a lot of water. I don't like it. Yeah.
I will gladly eat all of your chocolate. If you have chocolate you don't want, I'm here.
It's weird because when chocolate is very popular as a gift somebody's always giving you chocolate, and I take it because I don't want to say everybody like I hate chocolate actually. But yeah, what about you? What's something you don't really like?
Well, I have something I don't like that I think is really popular, and every time I say I don't like it, I always get the same like what kind of reaction, but I don't like ice cream.
What?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
don't like ice cream. I don't think food should be that cold. I
Mm,
don't like it. Food shouldn't be too cold to eat. It's just
really?
not.
You don't know what you're missing.
I'm.
Ice creams are really, really good, especially in summer.
Chocolate's really good. Chocolate. I'll take chocolate over ice cream any day.
Well, you can try chocolate ice cream.
Oh, chocolate ice cream is the worst. Chocolate ice cream is the worst. Ugh. No,
What
thank
about a
you.
second one? Do you have any second food that you don't like?
I don't like tomatoes,
Oh.
which is strange because I eat lots of pasta with tomato flavored stuff in it. But just tomatoes by themselves
Mm-hmm.
is not something I enjoy. Whenever I have like a hamburger with a tomato in it, I always have to take it out
Yeah.
and give it to someone else. Just, I don't like it. It's just juicy and not a good juicy way.
Mm-hmm. I don't like
Yeah.
garlic.
You don't like
Yeah.
garlic?
I like garlic in food, but I don't like to see it or eat it and have the taste of garlic. I don't like it.
Once you've got
So
the taste of garlic, you don't get rid of that for about 3 days, right?
exactly, that's another thing. Yeah. So when my mom is cooking and using garlic, after that she had to remove it. She cannot leave any evidence that she was using garlic in her food. Yes.
Is there another food that you don't like?
I would say sprouts, Brussels sprouts.
No one likes sprouts.
Yes, it's bitter, and even though some people say it's good for your body, I don't like them.
I think, yeah, sprouts are just universally hated. No one likes sprouts.
Yeah, well, but when you are a child, your parents, for some reason, are always giving you
Yeah.
that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
cruel.
Oh, I don't like it. It looks like I feel like a cow eating those things. Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine. It's just, ugh.
What about you? Any other?
I have one more, but it's really strange. I've never actually eaten them, but looking at them makes me really uncomfortable. And that's olives. I hate olives.
Oh,
I
I
can't
love them.
stand olives. Just looking at them makes me want to scream. Like,
Really?
I think it's the hole. I don't
Mhm.
like the hole in olives. I'm like scared of olives. It's really strange, but
I
no.
like them. Very
You can have
tasty.
my olives.
Green, black.
Ugh, no. If I see them in a jar at
Better
the
than
supermarket,
chocolate.
just no. Ugh, no, 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 no. Don't like them. Scared of olives. It's the craziest thing ever, but no. Don't like olives. Keep them away from me. Ugh.
Good.
Well, guys, we have done it. And have you got the answer? I think you have got it, though. That's the point, yeah? Okay. Tag your work and answer it together. Yuk kita jawab bareng-bareng, guys. Okay, so start number 1. What does Gilda say about chocolate?
It's a
C.
What does
popular
she say?
gift.
C. C.
C,
C.
A, A,
C.
C. Okay, kita kumpulkan dulu, guys. We just collect the answer. Anyone answers is like a B? No? Okay. A and C, though. If we don't have D, gak ada D-nya, guys. Okay. Well, number 2. Kathy doesn't like blah, blah, blah.
Cold.
C.
C.
Okay,
Cold.
cold food.
Cold
Okay.
food.
Number 3. Kathy does like tomatoes.
B.
A. B. Okay. By themselves
B.
in her food. Okay. Number 4. Gilda doesn't like
C. Garlic.
garlic.
C.
And number 5. What foods do they both
B.
dislike? B.
B. B.
Okay. Wow, darn.
B.
So tag your work, and here is the key. Oh my God,
Oh.
that's right, everyone. Number 1 is A. Number 1 is A, guys. What does Gita say about chocolate? It is a popular gift. Iya, guys ya. It's a popular. Itu si Gilda itu bilang ya, guys ya. Memang dia gak suka. Dia gak suka coklat, tapi dia itu pendapatnya dia tentang coklat. Coklat itu adalah ya hadiah yang sangat populer. Biar hadiah pasti coklat gitu, guys ya. That's one. And the second, Cathy doesn't like cold fruit.
Oh,
Yang
cold
dia bilang nih.
fruit.
Okay.
C.
Cathy does like tomatoes in her food.
Aduh,
Iya.
suaranya
Dia
mati.
suka nih guys ya. Suka tomatoes in her food. Tapi kalau makanan langsung dimakan gitu nggak terlalu suka. Jadi nggak suka. Kalau langsung di makanannya, it's okay. Gilda doesn't like, nggak suka apa nih kalau Gilda?
C.
Garlic.
Garlic.
What is garlic, guys? Do you know?
Bawang putih.
bawang
Bawang
putih.
putih. You are right, guys. What food do they both dislike? Dua-duanya nggak suka? Sprout. Do you know what is sprout, guys?
Good, no.
Tambah.
Kecambah, guys. Kecambah is sprout. Okay. So anyone likes eating sprout? Mhm. No, no one. Oh iya,
Kalau
kalau
ditumis.
ditumis, iya, kalau dimasak suka. Kalau mentah, aduh, gimana gitu. Oke,
No.
so
Tambah itu toge
no.
bukan sih toge ya?
Ya, toge itu kecambah.
Toge kecambah.
Kecambah.
Iya, it's the same, guys. Kecambah, toge. Ada bahasa lain nggak sih, guys? It's maybe that, right? Okay, kecambah, toge. Wow, that's great, everyone. So
No.
anyone gets all right? Siapa yang suka nih, guys? Yang suka. Siapa yang benar semua? Anyone gets all right? Oh, Bu
Wrong
Eda.
one.
Oh, Bu Eda. That's good. That's good.
Ay.
Okay. Nice, guys. Guys, who gets one mistake? Salah satu?
Me.
That's
Me.
all right. Two mistake.
Number
No one? Okay.
Favorite banget.
Oh, no. No? Okay. That's great, everyone. This our listening talking about food. I mean, food we hate. Guys, everyone must have food that you hate. Like me, I don't like durian. I hate it.
Durian is like
Good.
nice.
Kids, I hate it, guys. I don't like it for sure.
Why,
Surga
bro?
dunia, bro. Surga dunia.
Aduh.
Surga bukan
Okay.
itu.
Yes, Manjo, I agree with you.
Surga dunia. Oh iya.
Yes,
Surga
I like
dunia.
durian.
You like durian?
Durian
Oh my
montong,
God.
montong
Hmm.
Thailand. Yeah,
Oh my God. Okay,
Durian
that's
very
great.
delicious.
That's
Yummy.
delicious. I couldn't hunt it, guys, actually. Oh my God, but you like it. Nice. Okay. Well, guys, let's continue. Back to the nature. Guys, yesterday we talked about conjunction. Ya, guys, ya. Kita belajar conjunction kata hubung, ya. And today we have the new topic. It's about the grammar as well. And this is about apa, guys?
Past continuous.
Iya, simple past
Simple past.
continuous. We have new tenses. Kita belajar tenses baru, guys. Oke. Maybe simple past kita udah pernah belajar ya. Makanya teman-teman sudah bisa semua simple past ini, guys, ya. Verbal or nominal. Ada yang belum bisa atau belum ngerti simple past di sini? Oke.
Kata kerja.
Bisa semua ya. Kata kerja bentuk kedua pakai simple past. Kalau verbal sentence, kalau nominal sentence pakainya was dan
Word.
were. Iya, itu simple past, teman-teman. Kita selalu bahas itu ya. Oke, di kelas basic 1, basic 2, and this time is intermediate one, we talk it again. We have a new, maybe guys, is past continuous. Past continuous yang baru nih. Nanti kita juga akan belajar penggabungannya. Ya, guys ya. Past continuous itu bisa digabungin dalam satu kata simple past juga, guys. And it's the common use. Sebenarnya teman-teman sering pakai ini sebenarnya, cuma gak sadar aja maybe ya. Okay, so this one we need to break down it and learn it, guys. I give you the example. Bro, kasih contoh dulu nih, guys ya. Okay. Di sini penggabungan kata. Look at this example. Okay. How the past continuous and past simple are used. Ketika past continuous sama past simple past digunakan dalam bareng-bareng gitu. Kita tekan dulu, guys. When I woke up this morning, it was snowing. What's the meaning, guys? Ketika
Bangun.
Bangun
Di-
pagi
ketika
hari.
saya bangun di pagi
Bangun di
hari,
pagi hari.
it was
Bersalju.
Salju.
snowing ya. So
No.
itu bersalju. Nah, gitu, guys. Tuh, itu kan when I woke up this morning, woke up itu kan ini adalah
Verb to.
verb to atau simple past-nya, ya kan, teman-teman?
Wait,
Nah, di sini ada yang namanya it was snowing. Itu adalah past continuous.
Verbal. Apa?
Iya, verbal juga, verbal, bro. It was snowing. Oke. Dibalik juga boleh. It was snowing when I woke up this morning. Oke, ini adalah kalimat kalimat kemarin ya guys ya, ada conjunction yang kedua kemarin guys, ada when-nya. Ada anak kalimat, induk kalimat. Kira-kira anak kalimatnya yang mana nih guys?
It was.
When
Anak-anak.
It was snowing. When
Ya.
when it
Ya,
was-
anak
yeah,
kalimatnya
it was
when
snowing.
I wake up this morning.
snowing.
Anak
It was
kalimatnya
cup
when I
This
wake up this morning. Mostly kebanyakan conjunction-nya itu masuk atau bergandengan sekelompok sama yang namanya ini guys, anak kalimat gitu guys. Nah, makanya guys, maksudnya gimana? Coba kita buktikan lagi guys. Look at this everyone.
Children.
I wake up when I woke up this morning, it was snowing. Bro Vicky tutup ini guys, hilangin nih. Tiba-tiba Bro Vicky bilang, Sis Manzo, when I wake up this morning. Sis Manzo, ketika saya bangun pagi. Nah, terus
Ngapain?
kenapa?
Iya.
Iya kan? Nggak
Iya.
bisa dipahami kan teman-teman?
Iya.
Nah, makanya itu anak kalimat. It is dependent clause. Tapi kalau yang ini bisa berdiri sendiri, guys. Berpikir hilangin kata yang depan ini, ya tetap bisa difahami. Bro, si Sophia, it was snowing. Sophia,
Itu
Yeah.
bersalju.
ini bersalju. Bisa kan?
Iya,
Bisa
iya.
difahami. Itu namanya anak kalimat. Anak kalimat, dua kalimat. Bisa ya, teman-teman? Oke. Kalau ini, guys, yang ini nih. The next part. What about this, guys? I was sleeping when you called me. I was sleeping. When you called me. Artinya apa, guys? Saya
Saya
tertidur.
tidur
ketika
ketika
kamu
kamu
Saya
nelpon
tertidur ketika
saya.
kamu menelponku. This one, guys. Oke. Ini anak kalimatnya yang mana, guys?
When you
Anak kalimat when
you
you
called
called
me.
me.
Yeah, when you called me. Okay. So this one, everyone. When I woke up this morning, it was snowing. It was snowing. I was sleeping when you called me. Itu penggabungan antara verb ya kalimat verbal nominal ya guys ya. Ini verbal semua, cuma simple past dan juga past continuous. Oke. Nah, kita bahas satu-satu dulu guys. Kita pecah satu-satu dulu sebelum kita belajar atau menggabungkannya. Okay. So here we go, the main point. Look at that, everyone. Simple past. I suppose that everyone has understood well. Simple past. Bro Vicky, tapi pasti semuanya bisa ya, simple past. Bro Vicky kasih cara cepatnya aja teman-teman untuk simple past. Kita sambil ingat-ingat lagi ya teman-teman. Simple past. Oke, bentar guys. Sini aja. Simple past. The simple past, ini guys. What is simple past? Simple past shows us that an action was in the past. Lampau pasti. Not in the present. Regular past simple. Kata kerja itu, kata kerja verb itu ada yang regular dan irregular. Kalau regular itu kan berurutan teman-teman. Makanya call tambah ed aja. Called. Gitu guys ya. Called, played. Arrived. Itu regular, berurutan teman-teman. Enak tuh, tambah ed aja soalnya. Tapi kalau irregular, itu guys, di situ tidak berurutan teman-teman. Makanya ada wake, woken. Wake, woken. Ada break, broken, filled, fought. Ya gitu guys, beda ya. Eat, eaten. Mau nggak mau kita memang harus tahu sih guys dan menghafal ya, tahu seperti itu. Oke, so in this part kalimat itu ada dua. Dimanapun kalau pada dasarnya kalimat sentence, it must be two, verbal and nominal. Oke, untuk verbal sentence itu pasti menggunakan verb to. Pasti itu guys, remember verb to. Oke. And nanti teman-teman di sini kita ada auxiliary, kata bantunya cuma satu aja, yaitu did. Jadi aja kata bantunya, guys. Kalau nominal sentence, nominal itu nanti pasti namanya nominal itu pasti ada to be dan diikuti sama yang namanya apa guys?
Is are.
Ana.
Oh, nah, adjective.
Ana. Pasti ana. Oke, nominal itu pasti to be dan ana. Dan di sini to be-nya apa guys? Kalau simple past
Were.
was.
Was.
Iya.
Well,
Remember that one. Ada was sama kalau nggak were. Teman-teman masih ingat ya cara menggunakan was were-nya? Masih ya? Oke, that's it everyone. Nah, di sini guys kalimat verbal dan nominal semuanya pasti sama. Oke, so try to make a sentence. Yuk kita buat kalimat guys. Oke, sambil ingat-ingat kemarin ya. Waktunya biasanya waktunya itu jelas teman-teman. Ada yesterday, last week, last atau ago gitu guys ya. So you can just say it everyone. Oke. Meskipun tadi misal nih, Desmanzo itu beli nasi goreng. Belinya 5 menit yang lalu nih. Ya, beli nasi goreng. Terus sekarang udah di rumah nih. Desmanzo boleh langsung bilang simple past meskipun 5 menit tadi guys. Karena keadaannya udah selesai, Desmanzo udah gak beli lagi gitu guys. Oke, so that's it everyone. Itu boleh langsung dipaskan nggak apa-apa. Jadi nggak harus nunggu kemarin gitu guys ya. Enggak. Oke, yang penting sudah lampau, udah selesai gitu guys ya. Aktivitas sudah selesai, gak ada keterkaitan sama saat ini tuh sudah masuk pas gitu guys ya. Oke. Nah, so this part everyone, coba nih, let's try to make a sentence. Kita pakai plate, guys, atau panggil called aja. Kamu memanggilku tadi malam. Gimana guys bilangnya?
you called
call me.
Last night.
You called me last night.
Yeah,
Last night.
you called
Your call.
me last night. Okay guys ya. So this one, you called me last night.
Called.
Guys ya. Kamu menelpon atau memanggilku semalam. Oke. Kirain malam-malam itu pada sholat tahajud, kirain sleep callan guys. Aduh, gitu guys ya. Oke, look at this everyone. Lanjut guys. You called me last night. Kamu memanggilku atau menelponku semalam. Nah, number two. Nah, kalimat negatifnya gimana guys? Kamu tidak menelponku atau memanggilku semalam?
You didn't.
Okay, last
You
night.
Ya, pakainya did, jangan lupa.
You didn't.
Didn't atau digabungin didn't ya, kalau dipisah ya did not. You didn't
Call me.
call me, remember, harus pakai verb 1.
Yeah.
You didn't call me last night. Verbal sentence. You called me last night, you didn't call me last night. Gitu ya, teman-teman. And the next part, teman-teman, kalau kalimat interrogatif,
Did
Did
you
call last night?
Did you
iya.
call me last night?
Did you
call me
me
last night?
call me last night?
Last night.
Yes, good job everyone. Did you call me last night? Pasti. And this one the example. Oke, kalau kita analisis ya, we can do it everyone. Just verb to. Ada verb 2 nih. Sorry guys. Ini verb to, and also we have like this as didn't, did not. Gitu guys ya. Aman teman-temannya untuk membuat kalimat verbal simple past? Okay. And let's jump to nominal sentence. Okay. So for example, you want to say, kamu bahagia semalam. Oh, what? How do you say that word?
Last
You
night.
were
You are happy last night.
You were
happy last
You
night.
were
pakai were. You
You
were
were
happy
happy last
last night. Good job. So you must remember guys, kapan kita menggunakan was dan were. Subject I, he, she, it pakai was. You, Dewi pakai were. Tunggal pakai was, jamak pakai were. Gitu ya. You were happy last night. Kamu tidak bahagia semalam.
You were not.
You
You were
weren't.
weren't
Boleh,
weren't
you were not.
happy
Boleh. Happy last
night.
night. Ini kalimat paling sederhana nih. Terus, apakah kamu bahagia semalam?
Were you happy last night?
Yeah,
Were
were you happy
last night?
last night? Great job, everyone. Okay, so were you happy last night? So that's one. If you want to analyze it, look at this. Ini kira-kira kenapa, guys? Kenapa kita pakai were? Do you know why?
Karena subjeknya you.
That's the point. It's because the subject is you. Penentu kapan menggunakan was were itu tergantung subjeknya. Karena subjeknya you berarti ya were.
Were.
Gitu guys ya. That's it everyone. Oke, bisa teman-teman ya. Ini cara membuat kalimatnya. Di sini ada yang mau ditanyakan tentang simple past? Yang masih mau tanyakan sekarang nggak apa-apa guys? Aman?
Man, bro.
Aman ya? That's good, that's good. No question so far. And Bro Vicky tandai lagi nih guys. Sekarang kita bahas yang namanya past continuous. Ini belajar past continuous tenses paling cepat ya guys ya. Langsung poin-poinnya aja. Oke, berarti kita tidak membuang waktu lama ya. Oke, karena kita belajar grammar for speaking. Langsung nanti ke praktek aja. Nah, lanjut guys. Selanjutnya kita akan belajar yang namanya past continuous. Kayak awal tadi kan simple past nih. Oke, kalau ini past continuous guys. Past continuous ini oke. Past continuous sama verbal dan nominal. It's the same everyone. Verbal nanti verbal sentence kita menggunakan yang namanya verb ing. Continuous itu pasti verb ing teman-teman. Itu continuous verb ing. Oke. Dan nanti kita di sini kalau simple present kan tetap pakai verb ing kan, present continuous pakai verb ing juga. Pokoknya ada continuousnya itu pasti pakai verb ing teman-teman. Kelima verbal sentence. Dan di situ pasti menggunakan to be juga. Simple present is am are. Kalau di sini adalah was dan were to be-nya. Oke, is was atau were. To be-nya seperti itu. Verbal sentence teman-teman. Nah, kalau nominal sentence itu mirip plek-ketiplek sama yang namanya ini guys. Nominal sama si simple past sama. Pakai to be juga. To be-nya itu habis itu plus ana. Oke. To be-nya di sini juga sama, was atau were. Oke. Was atau were. Look at this one. Was or were. To be di past kan di situ, was atau were ini. Yes. And in this part, teman-teman, bedanya itu apa? Look at this, guys. That's the difference. Ini verbal sentence, ini nominal sentence. Bedanya, kalau simple past dan past continuous itu lebih spesifik waktunya, teman-teman. Semisal yesterday, kemarin, itu kan kayak umum aja gitu. Ada spesifiknya. Kemarin jam 9 malam. Ada spesifiknya kan, teman-teman? Gitu. Semisal nih, saat kita belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin. Umum tuh. Tambah spesifik. Jam 9 malam. Diartikan gini. Kita sedang belajar bahasa Inggris kemarin jam 9 malam. Berarti memang kemarin itu guys, semalam jam 9 malam memang kita sedang belajar. Sedang baca kayak gini. Bukan sedang apa guys? Mancing. Ya kan? Kemarin kita memang belajar. Bukti seperti itu. Sedang terjadi di masa lampau, waktunya jelas dan spesifik. Oke? Contohnya nih. Pakai contoh yang sama saja. Kamu sedang memanggilku semalam jam 9 malam. Berarti gimana guys bahasa Inggrisnya?
You were calling me.
Ya, you were pakai verb ing, calling me, semalam, last night, at 9
p.m.
Nah, gitu guys. Artinya kamu sedang memanggilku semalam jam 9 malam. Gitu guys ya. Semalam jam 9 malam itu manggil, kita lagi nelfon gitu. Nah, gitu. Sedang kan itu. Kayak gitu guys. Nah, kalimat negatifnya tinggal tambah not aja. You
Were not.
kamu tidak, you weren't. Ya, you
Weren't.
were atau you were not juga boleh. Calling me last night at
9
iya, 9 p.m. Apakah kamu manggilku? Apa kamu sedang memanggilku semalam jam 9 malam?
Were you calling?
Iya. Were you calling? Pakai verb ing, calling me. Last
Last
night.
night at
At
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Good job. Gitu guys, everyone. Oke. Di sini guys, di sini kita menggunakan to be-nya was atau were. Kenapa kita pakai were? Ya, sama alasannya. It's because the subject is you. Dan remember, kita pakainya verb ing, calling. Ya, jangan lupa ya. Calling yang bermakna sedang. Ada continuous itu pasti pakai verb ing, teman-teman. Pasti itu. Gitu, guys. Aman ya, teman-teman? Lebih spesifik waktunya. At 9 p.m. Gitu. Kalau nominal sentence juga sama, bedanya waktunya lebih spesifik. Kamu sedang bahagia semalam jam 9 malam. Berarti
you
Or have
were
ya, you
you
were
were
happy
last night.
okay, last night jam 9 malam.
PM.
Last night
9
at
p.m.
9 p.m. Ya. Lebih spesifik waktunya. Gitu, guys. Sedang bahagia. Jam 9 malam, semalam, saya tuh lagi bahagia banget gitu, guys. Gitu, bilang kayak gitu. Nah, kamu tidak bahagia semalam jam 9 malam, you weren't.
happy.
Happy last night.
Ya, you
You were
weren't
happy
happy.
last night at 9 p.m.
Ya, last night at 9 p.m. Apakah kamu bahagia semalam jam 9 malam? Were you
Were you
happy
Last
last night?
At 9
At 9 p.m. Good job. That's what everyone. Sama teman-teman. Plek ketiplek. Bedanya di sini ada time stick-nya lebih spesifik. Gitu teman-teman. You got it everyone? Bisa ya? Cara merangkai kata antara simple past dan juga past continuous. Ada yang ditanyakan teman-teman di sini? Enggak nih teman-teman.
active now?
Kita pisah dulu nih sebelum kita gabungkan. Teman? Bisa ya? Oke, great. The question so far, teman-teman, ini adalah yang atas ini kita bisa bilang simple past, yang bawah ini adalah past continuous. Oke. Simple past sama past continuous bedanya seperti itu. Don't forget share di chat obrolan aja guys, teman-teman. Oke. You can just make it that.
Bro
Oke,
Fik,
udah ya? Ya, gimana?
tanya dong kan
Boleh.
kalau tadi kan kalau nominal tuh kan anak kan ya. Nah, kalau yang verb ing tuh calling itu dia masuknya apa sih? Kata apa ya?
Verbal, kata kerja.
Oh, kata
Verb
kerja,
ini.
iya benar. Kata kerja,
Verb,
kata kerja.
verb ing.
Verb ing,
Kan
oke.
verb kata kerja kan ada verb 1, 2, 3 dan verb ing. Nah,
Oke.
namanya continuous pasti ing tambah call tambah ing gitu. Oke?
Iya, oke.
Aman ya? Oke. Ada lagi guys, teman-teman. Aman semuanya ya? Bisa merangkainya ya? Oke, so kita lanjut guys. Kita udah belajar itu sekarang. Look at it everyone. Past continuous. Kalau di sini dijelasin past continuous show us that the action, guys ya, the action was already in the progress a certain time in the past. Ya, tadi berpikir bilang ya guys ya, sedang terjadi di waktu lampau, di waktu tertentu. Itu guys ya. Nah, tadi nih, saya sedang memanggilmu kemarin semalam jam 9 malam. Ya, sedang itu guys. On progress sedang ya guys ya, tapi lampau di waktu tertentu gitu. Nah, teman-teman, look at this one. Ini cara di penggabungan nih guys, digabungin nih. Oke. What were you doing? Oh ya guys, sebelum teman-teman, what were you doing at 8 p.m. last night? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan jam 8 malam semalam guys? Jawabannya I was studying. Saya sedang belajar. Memang ya guys ya. That's it everyone. Oke. Nah, look at this everyone. Sekarang kita belajar langsung penggabungan katanya teman-teman. Oke. Nah, past continuous and simple past. Nih guys. Kapan digabungin? Perhatikan teman-teman. Oke. Ini poinnya nih. When we use these two tenses together, ketika kita barengin nih guys ya, dua tenses itu, kejadiannya gambarnya seperti ini. The past simple action happen in the middle of the past continuous actions. Gitu guys. Okay. I repeat again everyone. The past simple actions happened in the middle of the past continuous action. Kejadiannya simple past itu terjadi di tengah-tengah past continuous guys. Langsung while it was in progress. Contohnya langsung aja guys biar tergambar lebih enak. While I was studying, ini simple past atau past continuous guys? While I was studying ini
Continuous.
past continuous. Iya. While I was studying, okay, I suddenly felt sleepy. Ini simple past atau past continuous?
Simple past.
Simple past. Iya, simple past. Tadi kan dijelaskan, guys. The past simple action happened in the middle of the past continuous. Simple past itu terjadi di tengah-tengah past continuous. Kayak gini, guys. While I was studying, ketika saya sedang belajar, lampau ya ini bentuknya. Ketika saya sedang belajar, I suddenly felt sleepy. Di tengah-tengah saya sedang belajar, saya ngantuk.
Tiba-tiba saya ngantuk.
Tiba-tiba ngantuk. Berarti kan simple past itu terjadi di tengah-tengah past continuous, ya kan teman-teman? Gambar ya? Oke. While I was studying, ketika saya belajar, sedang belajar tuh semalam gitu guys ya. Di tengah-tengah belajar itu tiba-tiba I suddenly felt sleepy. Ngantuk gitu guys. So that's why kegiatan atau aktivitas si simple past di tengah-tengah past continuous. Seperti itu gambarannya. Okay? Got it everyone ya? Okay. So we often use these tenses to show an action interrupting another action. Ya, gitu guys. Contohnya nih guys. I break my leg when I was skiing. Nah, saya patah tulang ketika saya sedang main ski. Sedang. Saya sedang main ski nih. Nah, di saat
saya patah tulang, bukannya kaki saya patah gitu ya?
I broke my leg. Kaki saya patah ketika saya sedang main ski. Di tengah-tengah main ski itu patah, guys. You got the point?
Iya.
Ya, kayak gitu, guys. Dibalik-balik boleh kok, teman-teman. When I was skiing, I broke my leg juga boleh. Terserah teman-teman. Kalimatnya dibalik-balik boleh.
Oh, boleh ya berarti ya?
Boleh, tapi tetap ya, guys ya. Di sini jangan kita harus yang penting kita harus bisa bedakan anak kalimat induk kalimat. Mau dibalik-balik nggak apa-apa. Oke? Namanya that's it. Boleh kok teman-teman. I suddenly felt sleepy while I was studying. Saya tiba-tiba ngantuk ketika saya sedang belajar. Boleh di situ dibalik. Nggak apa-apa. Yang penting anak kalimat induk kalimat. Nggak boleh. I was studying while I suddenly felt sleepy. Nggak boleh. Oke. Courage ya teman-teman. Itu guys.
Kalau begini, kalau dibalik ini bro, sleepy felt suddenly I studying was
Apa tuh?
Dibalik kan itu ya?
Itu mengurutkan kata.
Oh beda.
Oke, guys, got it ya everyone. Aman ya teman-teman?
Aman.
Oke, dibalik. Alright, lanjut guys. Ini lagi nih guys. As I was going to work, I saw an old friend. Ya, ketika saya sedang pergi ke bekerja, di tengah-tengah pergi kerja, saya melihat teman lama saya. Gitu ya. Oke. We were watching television when the power went off. Kita sedang menonton TV ketika power went off. Mati lampu. Kita nonton TV nih guys. Di tengah-tengah nonton TV gitu, mati lampu. You got it? Itu gambarannya guys. Oke, itu kalau penggabungan adalah past continuous simple past. Kita bisa teman-teman ya. So that's it everyone. That's our topic. Oke. Bro Vicky kasih perbandingan nih guys. Kalau pokoknya mau menggabungkan simple past sama past continuous, itu pasti past continuous. Simple past itu di tengah-tengah kejadian past continuous. Sebagai pengganggunya atau pokoknya di tengah-tengah gitu guys ya. Oke. Nah, gitu guys. Semisal teman-teman gini. Ketika saya mencintaimu, saya melihat wanita lain, berarti gimana guys?
When
When I
When-
When
loving you.
I was loving you.
When I was loving you,
And I was
I
looking up.
saw
I saw
another
another
girl.
girl.
Gitu guys. Iya, di tengah-tengah lagi mencintaimu nih guys, saya lihat wanita lain. Gitu guys ya. Oh, wow. Oke guys ya. Oke, got it everyone, bisa ya?
Oke.
This one. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough. This is our topic. Ada yang bertanyakan teman-teman antara penggabungan past continuous sama simple past?
Itu di grup chat rame banget. Itu ada apa ya?
Mana nih? Kecapean lah apa nih?
Bermula
si
dari
Sophia.
mantu ini bro.
Oh, si Sophia, you okay? Si Sophia?
I'm sleeping.
Oke. Iya, habis mandi ya pasti enak banget nih guys ya. Ya tinggal tidur aja. Well, okay everyone, teman-teman, coba nih. I have a question for you. Coba nih guys, try to answer the question. Si Sophia, answer it. Si Sophia, blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. I blah 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 my new job yesterday.
I was starting my new job yesterday.
Are you sure? Yesterday.
No, not detail. I started A.
Are you sure,
Hey.
A?
Yes, because
The
it's
answer
yesterday.
is-
Detail.
Iya, ya started guys. Kenapa? Yesterday, tidak spesifik. Oke, I started my new job yesterday. Saya mulai kerjaan baru saya kemarin. Gak ada spesifiknya. Secara umum aja kemarin.
Thank you.
Good job, si Sophia. Nice.
you.
Oke.
My
Oke,
wow.
Mas welcome. Lanjut nih. Bro Endah. Tadi
Ya,
your
bro.
turn. What blah 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 at
Goreng
the
pisang goreng
road.
sama istri bro.
Asik.
Asik.
Jadi pengen dibuatin nih.
What were you doing?
What blah 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 at around 8 a.m. this morning. Apa nih? What B?
Huh? What did you do at around?
What is the answer? Bro
What
Endah,
B.
are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Oh, good job, bro. That's lovely. Okay. Past continuous. Apa yang sedang kamu lakuin sekitar jam 8 pagi ini, guys? Spesifik kan, teman-teman? Sedang ngapain, teman-teman? Okay. So that's one. What were you doing? Nice. And the next part, I want to go with Nia. Nia. While I was washing the dishes, I suddenly blah 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 a brilliant idea. Buddy, Nia.
Suddenly
What?
had a brilliant idea.
A or B?
A.
Good job. Karena pasangannya yang gini, while I was washing the dishes kan anak kalimatnya udah past kan
Past
continuous.
continuous.
Pasti pasangannya sama simple past. I suddenly had a brilliant idea. Ketika saya mencuci piring, tiba-tiba saya dapat ide yang brilliant. Masa sih, guys? Bukannya kita ketika lagi BAB sih, guys? Tiba-tiba ide baru, ding gitu, guys ya. So that's one. Okay, that's good. Maybe dapat ini ide baru ketika mencuci juga bisa ya. Mencuci piring. Okay. Dapat inspirasi, guys, tiba-tiba. Nyuci piring, oh besok jadi presiden enak nih, gitu. Okay, lanjut guys. The next part, want to go with Nia sudah. Sis Manzo. What about you?
Okay, bro. Maybe A.
He
Listen.
didn't hear the phone ring. He heard really loud music.
Oh, didn't hear. Didn't
He
hear.
didn't hear the phone
Didn't hear.
ring. Simple past berarti
Pas berarti
pasangannya
B.
B. Iya. Okay. He didn't hear the phone ring. He was listening to really loud music. Dia, ya guys ya. Jadi dia tidak mendengar, mendengar ini guys. Teleponnya berbunyi, ya kenapa? He was listening to really loud music. Di tengah-tengah dia itu dengerin lagu yang keras, ada yang telepon guys. Dia gak kedenger. Gitu. Okay, good job guys. Really nice. She was. Okay, the next part, bro, is Wandi. What about you?
Yeah.
They blah 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 the shop when I go there. so I couldn't go in and buy anything. They ERB. So it is part when I got there. Simple past nih. I got there. Berarti
B.
B. They were already closing. Iya. Mereka sedang menutup tokonya ketika saya nyampe sana. Di tengah-tengah mereka itu menutup tokonya, saya nyampe di sana nih. Ya, jadi saya nggak beli apa-apa di sana, guys. Kita tutup ya. Oke.
Balik lagi pulang.
Okay, that's it everyone, yeah. Okay, so guys, that's gonna be enough for this time. So it's time for you to practice the conversation. Let's talk about this. What did you do last weekend? Last weekend, guys, minggu kemarin ngapain? Kalau lebih spesifik ya kasih langsung aja ya. Last week, I am going. Last week I was going to the beach in the morning at 7 o'clock with my family. Itu boleh. It's up to you. Okay. Dan another question that you can use it. Pilih aja guys teman-teman. Okay, teman-teman. Kita join breakout room ya, everyone. So everyone must speak English. How many people are here? We have a lot of fun today. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Berit. Kak Wilshire, thank you for coming. Besok kita ujian ya, Berit. Don't forget, tomorrow we have an exam.
Mulu bro.
Okay.
Ujian
Ujian.
mulu.
Iya nih guys. Oh iya guys, ujian mulu kayak kita. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ini berapa orang nih guys? Okay. So I will make it like 9. Okay. Oh, that too much. Not that much, guys.
Ujiannya apa sih bro besok?
Okay, ujian hidup.
Berat itu.
Setiap hari kita ujian hidup, guys. Okay. Dovik, tadi gak bisa gabung ya. Apaan tuh sisling? Oh, boleh, gak apa-apa kalau memang butuh istirahat ya, gak apa-apa ya. Oke, kayaknya mau sleep call nih tadi, janjian nih guys. Boleh, gak apa-apa guys.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Telepon itu.
Aduh, gak apa-apa. Lanjutin sisling.
Undangannya aja.
Oke, nomor aja gak punya. Oh my god. Oke. Guys, kita kontrak sama ini guys. Oh my god. Oke guys, lanjut ya. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Good luck guys, you there. Yuk teman-teman, langsung masuk ya. Guys, welcome back to the class, the main room. Thank you so much everyone for doing such a great conversation at the breakout room, and you talk about everything that happened in the past, yeah, your experience, your traveling, anything that you did in the past, and that was really great, everyone. Thank you so much. The next, I would like to ask one of you to have 1 minute challenge. Okay, and I think guys for today I wanna go. Since Aima masih 75% guys, belum ngumpul semua nih nyawanya. Okay, so maybe I wanna go with the other one. Okay, what about Sis Lydia? That's your turn. Lydia, come on. You need to explain it. Okay. Are you ready, Lydia?
Okay, ready, bro.
Okay, I guess your time 10 minutes. No, 1 minute, sorry. It's a 10 minutes. Okay, hold on. Bro Vicky buka dulu nih timernya.
Banget 1 menit.
Okay. It's 1 minute is enough, bro. Okay. So siap ya?
Kurang.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go, Lydia.
Okay, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
My partner in the breakout room is Nia. We talk about everything about activities his last weekend and the memorable vacation. Any funny stories in memorable vacations is Nia. He melakukan perjalanan journey with her friends. the first time Nia merasakan naik bis to sesak katanya, very sesak. And then udah habis aja sih.
That's
Kan,
right.
bener kan? Kurang kan? Bener
Oh,
bro,
okay.
kurang bro.
Okay, well done. Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank you,
Sis
bro.
Lydia, it's a great explanation. Okay, maybe next time that should be 2 times. What do you think? 2 times? I mean, not 2 times. I mean 2 minutes. Ya,
2
sampai
minutes.
1 menit nih. Okay.
Berlaku buat sis Lydia aja, kita mah 1 menit aja.
Itu ya Brenda ya.
Okay.
Not fair, Linda. It's not
Okay, guys.
fair, you know.
Okay, guys. Anyway, guys, everyone, I wanna highlight this. Si dia tadi mau bilang, sis Nia melakukan perjalanan. You can say sis Nia had a journey.
Yeah.
Had.
Sure, ya.
Ya, sis Nia had a journey, boleh. Dan juga kalau sis Nia merasa sempit, sis Nia felt. Oh, they
Apa,
feel,
bro? Sempit apa?
felt.
Oh,
Merasa. Sis Nia felt. What is sempit, guys? Do you know sempit? Anyone knows? Ada tahu nggak teman-teman?
Sempit.
It's like narrow, teman-teman. Boleh pakai narrow, iya.
Narrow.
Kalau ini ruangan gitu, guys ya, ruangan apapun ya, apapun ruangannya kayak sempit gitu, you can say narrow. Okay, narrow itu sempit. So, sis Nia felt narrow when on the bus, for example. Merasa sempit ketika di bus, di bis. You can say that one, okay, teman-teman. Okay, guys, that's it. And I want to highlight here tadi teman-teman berpikir masih dengar teman-teman menggunakan was juga. I was, tapi nggak pakai verb ing, but you make it simple past. I was at gitu guys ya. No guys, this is I was diikuti yang namanya verb ing. Oke. Kalau simple past nggak perlu pakai was atau were, langsung aja. I ate, teman-teman. Okay, I took, I had. We cannot say I was maybe had gitu, nggak perlu langsung ya teman-teman. Okay, and once more everyone, di yang namanya continuous itu ada beberapa, how do we call it? This is like beberapa kata kerja yang tidak bisa dipakai continuous gitu guys ya. Sebenarnya ada teman-teman. So, contohnya nih guys, teman-teman mau bilang mempunyai. Gak boleh guys, I was having. Saya sedang mempunyai, gak boleh. Having itu gak boleh bukan gak boleh diingkannya, gak boleh dipakai di continuous. Entah present continuous atau entah simple atau past continuous ya teman-teman. Nanti Bro Vicky kirim di chat obrolan, di chat di sini aja guys, di WA aja teman-temannya. Filenya ada beberapa banyak guys yang di situ tidak bisa diingkan, maksudnya tidak bisa dipakai di continuous. Kayak like, saya sedang menyukai. I am atau I was liking. Pernah dengar kayak liking guys teman-teman? Menyukai. Nggak dengar ya? Ya, like itu tidak bisa di-continuouskan.
Pernah,
Oke. Pernah.
Oke. Barusan.
Yeah. Oh ya, that's great. Oke, itu nggak bisa diingkan. Maksudnya nggak bisa di-continuous ya. Boleh diingkan sebagai gerund. Oke. Nah, tapi nggak boleh love, teman-teman. Love itu juga sebenarnya nggak boleh, guys. I was loving you itu sebenarnya nggak boleh secara grammar, teman-teman. Loving itu juga yang namanya nggak boleh, nggak bisa di-continuouskan. Kalau mau saya sedang mencintaimu gitu, no. Oke. It's the common mistake teman-temannya sudah dipakai ya akhirnya sudah menjadi kebiasaan, ya udah. Ini kayak kesalahan umum ya guys ya, kesalahannya dibenarkan oleh khalayak umum ya, karena orang selalu pakai kayak gitu. Jadi kalau kita lagi benar-benar ujian gitu ya, itu nggak boleh dipakai. Oke?
Oh, salah ya bro.
Iya, kalau ujian apalagi else test else TOEFL, it just avoid it. Tadi Bro kirim di chat obrolan teman-teman di WA teman-temannya yang ajak apa itu verb yang tidak bisa di-continuouskan. You can check it and use it. Okay? Got it everyone, yeah? And that's it for today. I think that's gonna be enough we have been learning so far. And that's our topic about past continuous and simple past. So I hope it's gonna help you and you can just use it everyone. Ingat kalau mau menggabungkan itu aktivitasnya si past continuous di tengah ini guys ya, aktivitasnya si simple past di tengah-tengah past continuous. Gitu ya. Got it everyone ya. Thank you for coming. This is our topic guys. And before we end, anyone has a riddle?
I suggest Mrs. Manjo to challenge for sing a song.
Oh, you want to sing, Miss Manzo?
Come.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think you want to
Sing a
sing.
song.
I will sing a song.
Celebrate this
The
Manjo
Massive, you know the
Summer
Massive? The
The
Massive, you
Massive.
know?
Yeah, who doesn't know?
Jangan menyerah, jangan menyerah.
Jangan.
Tangannya lagi.
Oke, ini tunggu
Jangan
Arwana
menyerah,
guys. Oke.
friends.
Wow, that's great. Okay, jangan menyerah. Okay. That's good everyone. Nice guys, do you have a riddle? Maybe I will give you a riddle.
Okay.
Yang
It's like a
susah
food
bro,
everyone.
yang susah.
Oke, yang susah.
Coba soalnya.
Apa ya?
Levelnya yang tinggi, bro.
Level berapa nih? It's like a food everyone. Okay, a food. You wanna say what, guys? I forgot.
Soto.
Soto.
Oh.
Okay. Well, guys, it's just a food, yeah. What is this, guys?
Bedanya
I forgot, guys.
soto, bro. Bedanya
Apa?
soto sama coto.
Soto sama coto.
Bedanya soto sama coto.
Oto.
Conto Makassar.
Salah.
Oh iya? Apa tuh?
Makanan.
Salah. Kalau soto pakai daging sapi, kalau coto pakai daging capi.
Pakai daging apa?
Capi.
Oke.
Ya, cadel tuh
Oke.
cadel. Ngomongin
Okay,
cadel.
guys. Okay, guys, I got it, everyone.
Oke.
Guys, it's just a food, ya.
Mm-mm.
It's a food. Makanan apa yang bisa teriak?
Cabe.
Cabe? No.
Teriyaki.
Oh my god.
Teriyaki.
That's so easy. Teriyaki. Oh my god.
Masakan Jepang.
Mudah ternyata ya.
Kendaraan apa yang paling imut?
Apa tuh, guys?
Kendaraan apa yang paling imut?
Kendaraan apa?
Cute.
Salah.
Oh,
Kereta api.
Hampir sama. Iya, kereta api. Cute.
Oke,
Makanan yang
thank you.
centil.
Centil. Apa tuh?
Apa tuh?
Bubur cium-cium.
Sum-sum kiu-kiu.
Oh my god, okay. Wow, that's good, guys. Nah, guys, presiden siapa yang imut, guys?
Presiden.
Megalodon.
Megalodon. Itu bukan imut, guys. Megalodon. Halo, guys. Ini ada yang Partai Merah gak nih? Megalodon, guys. Presiden apa yang imut?
Presiden siapa?
Siapa yang imut?
Prabowo.
Is Prabowo? No.
Habibie.
No. Kim Jong-un.
Bro. Mie apa yang bisa gombal? Mie apa yang bisa gombal? Me and you forever and ever.
Wow, that's great.
Mana bro Rich? Mana nih?
Wow, that's good everyone. Okay, this is our topic. Kita ketemu besok ya. Thank you for coming everyone. And the last I say, guys, belum ujiannya. Iya. So guys, look at this. Tomorrow you will face the exam. And the exam should be like this, everyone. I have a lot, guys. Okay. Nah, it's like 15.
What?
Udah banyak teman-teman ya. But just choose one of them. Pilih salah satu aja, teman-teman. Topiknya banyak ya. Pilih salah satu aja. Pilih sendiri aja, teman. Mau Vicky pilihkan?
Oh, enggak.
No. Cerita ya.
Okay. Yeah, guys. Oh, you can choose it, everyone. Like my favorite hobby, memorable family vacation, my best friend, the importance of reading, my pet, my favorite season, atau yang lainnya, teman-teman. Just choose one of them and you need to aspire in 2 minutes the minimum.
Oh, minimum.
Minimal 2 menit, maksimal 3 menit.
Enggak kecepatan itu, bro.
Bro Enda 5 menit ya.
Nah, buat sis Lydia itu Pak maksudnya. Kita mah cuma 1 menit aja cukup, Bro.
Alright, that's alright. Okay, well, Bro Enda, Bro Enda teman-teman 2 minutes, okay?
No.
Minimal 2 menit. Minimal 2 menit, maksimal 3 menit, okay?
Pakai triknya sis Manjo.
Apa
Gimana?
Untuk kata 2 menit.
Kayak dengungnya.
Banyak dengungnya benar.
That's right, everybody ya. Okay, so remember this one.
Oke,
Harus
lama.
ikutnya. Kalau nggak bisa ikut, buat video ya. So that's it.
Video.
Just join the exam tomorrow, guys ya. Okay, that's it guys, and good luck for tomorrow. Bro Vicky besok juga kasih informasi tertulis di grup juga ya besok pagi. Okay, thank you for coming everyone. That's our topic. The last I say, speaking partner.
We are the best.
What's password, guys?
Smile.
Bye,
Thank you,
guys.
friends.
See you tomorrow. Good night. Have a nice
Thank
dream.
you all.